What is going on, everybody? Welcome back. MTG here with another episode. And today I did get a package from Apple. It seems kind of big, but it's actually not that big. And I'm excited for it. So without further delay, let's get this box unboxed. Alright, so here is the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. This, if you guys don't know, it's a gimbal, a smartphone gimbal, and pretty cheap for the second generation. It's got more features than the first, and I'm excited to open it. So we got a key. So more keys. Alright. What else do we have here? We got paperwork. No one's gonna read that anyway. And then we got this boy. Oh, it's actually a really nice case for it. Oh, okay, ooh. Alright, well, I'm gonna throw that away anyway. So, it's USB. It's not USB Type-C, but wow, this is much bigger than I anticipated. Alright, so what I am going to do is I'm going to get this guy powered on. I'm going to connect it to my smartphone and show you a couple shots from it. Stay tuned. Different seam, different t-shirt, different... My hair is basically gone. I hope you guys did enjoy that little kind of shot with the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. I'm still learning how to use it. It's my first time using a smartphone gimbal, so it's kind of confusing and kind of tough to control. As you move, the gimbal moves too, and then when you want to press the buttons, it just does weird things. But overall, I do recommend it. I believe I can get so much better shots the more I practice and use it. And that means better content and better quality videos is definitely on the way. I would definitely recommend this. I would. For $130, and with all the features it has, and if you're into vlogging, if you want to start up your new YouTube channel, if you want to take videos of any sort with your smartphone, because the best camera is the one in your pocket, then I would definitely 100% recommend the DJI Osmo Mobile 2. Anyway, everybody, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, be sure to leave this video a thumbs up, comment down below, share this video, and best of all, subscribe wherever it says subscribe. Until next time, everybody, this is MTG.